How to remove collapse in pivot table in Google Sheet. So here you can see this is my pivot table. This all product is collapse is indicate the plus sign. To expand any product, click on the plus sign. And here you can see the product is expanded in keyboard total. Okay, total here indicate and date also here showing. Okay, when I click on the minus sign and this product is collapse. So remove this collapse option. Just click on the edit option and the right hand side you can see the pivot table editor is open. To remove collapse, first method keep only one field rows. So in rows, the product is a first field, date is a second fields. So you just keep here only one field in rows. So I remove the second field date. I just click on the cross sign and here you can see the collapse is removed. Okay. And the second way to reduce collapse, click on the edit option and in pivot table editor, in rows field, uncheck show totals option. So I uncheck this show totals option. In date fields, I uncheck the show totals option. And here you can see the collapse is reduced. When I click on the plus sign, only here date showing, not keyboard's total. Okay. So it's reduced to collapse. So that's it.